Meet the Govee RGBWW smart bulb, offering vibrant RGB lighting, tunable white light, app and voice control for every mood. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Govee RGBWW bulb, along with a user manual and setup guide to help you install and connect your smart lighting easily. Product overview. Plug and pair. To start using the Govee RGBWW smart bulb, install the bulb into a compatible light socket and turn on the power. Download the Govee Home App on your smartphone, enable Bluetooth, and select Add Device. The app will automatically search for the bulb. Once detected, tap to connect and follow the setup steps to complete pairing. After pairing, you can easily control colors, brightness, and lighting effects from your phone. Smart features? Combines vibrant RGB colors with warm and cool white tones for customized lighting effects and a comfortable atmosphere. Create and customize lighting scenes to match your mood, activities, and daily moments with easy smart control. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Govee RGBWW bulb. See you in the next one.